Okay, moving on from assignments, we're going to go into our course materials page. So I'll hit save, I'll hit my home button in the breadcrumbs, and then I'm going to scroll down to where it says course materials. I'm going to click on that link. And the course materials is a Google Folder app. Not everybody's going to have these two apps. Pretty much all of you are just going to have the one app, and I'll say why in a minute. But yours would say your course and course materials and your course, and it will say Google Folder. So let's click on that, and it looks like kind of we saw before with the document viewer app where you're just pasting a link. You have an option of doing a view type as a grid or a list, and it looks like we got to get a link from someplace. So let's take a look at what this is going to look like when it's all uploaded to the website. Before we get that link, I'm going to come down to where it says course materials, and this course materials is uploaded as a grid. So I've got semester 1 over here and semester 2. If you click on that, it's going to open up into a Google Drive interface where folks can actually start getting, drilling it down to the respective assignments, etc., and so forth that's in your course. So that's one way to do it. And if we go back to our website, that would be the grid view. And if you click on the list view, it would just looks very similar, but kind of just like that, a different option there. So what you're also seeing, so here's the Google Folder app, and right above that is a Flex Editor app basically stating, hey everybody, this Google Drive folder is only shared with the kids in the course. So if you have something that you don't want everybody in the world to see, you could put that kind of a little disclaimer up there. Again, this is a work in progress. You got to figure out how that's going to work for the parents to actually see what's going on in the class. It's a nice note there, but I think we just need to kind of continue like what's our our level of transparency that we want to have with our respective courses. And again, not everything has to go up there, but I think it's a nice opportunity. So that being said, to get to that link, we would be going into our Google Drive to get this shareable link, clicking inside our Google Drive. I'm just going to use this semester 2 schedule, which you all have. I'm going to right click on that. I'm going to get the shareable link. I'm going to copy that shareable link for that particular folder, whatever course I'm teaching in that one. And that's what I'm going to paste back into the course materials for the Google Drive shareable link. Let's assume that you've shared that folder with your students in their respective class or classes, and then you would just hit save, and that's it for this page. So for those of you that don't have materials up in Google Drive, you can certainly ask for help. We can get that going for you. It's a long process, but I think the nicest part of having something within Google Drive, not just for SchoolWires, but just Google Drive in general, is any platform can view it, can see it, can open it. iOS, iPads, MacBooks, Chromebooks certainly, and PC laptops. So it's a really nice way to get your materials in an easy way to the students and certainly the parents if you want to do that. So that's it for this page.